Hey everybody, welcome back to Drawbridge Finance. My name's Levi Woods and I am an investor. I've started this channel to help influence people and their lives and try to encourage people to make more money. And it has been, I think I started this channel in February. I have almost 10,000 subscribers now. I've had a fantastic year. I've met people in person. I've had a couple of people that have actually followed the steps that I've laid out in my 12-week program and set up their accounts, and they're actually collecting dividends now on a monthly basis. Two people in particular have done a great job, and they went in totally different routes. One of them went to a financial advisor who set them up with an account, and now they just have a regular contribution and everything's going in there, and that is fantastic. The other individual decided that he was going to go out on his own and set up an account with a small amount of money, and he has done amazingly. He sent me a snapshot of his portfolio the other day, and I had zero help in setting it up. He just looked through the things that I've done in the past and videos that I've done, and he used that information to find his own stocks and set up the account. And he diversified enough, luckily, because one of the stocks that he picked actually went down 40%. And I know a lot of people bring up risk on my channel, and they comment about risk all the time. And yes, there is risk in the stock market, of course, but we're okay with that, because where there's risk, there's also reward. And what we need to do is make sure that we're spreading our money out over different things, and we are getting to the point where we're making that regular income. And so I feel so amazingly proud of every single person out there who is taking advantage of any information that's available to them for free on the internet, and utilizing people like myself who have the knowledge and the interest in providing information to people just to make a difference in their lives. So if you guys are watching this right now, please give me a huge thumbs up down below. Leave a comment on this video, because that always helps other new people see the videos and get on board with learning new information. And as always, send me your requests. If you've got any specific questions, I'm trying to make more specific videos that are pertinent to specific questions. And over the holidays, I'm going to have a little bit of time to do that. So let's make it an amazing 2018, and happy holidays to everybody. Thanks so much. Talk soon. Let's get rich together.